Hi everyone, it's Dalen Lawrence, CEO of Unity Controls, and today's going to be a little different. I want to talk about how Vistage International helped me get my PPP loan. Let's check it out. Vistage is the world's largest executive coaching organization for small and mid-sized businesses. For more than 60 years, they've helped CEOs like me solve their toughest challenges with the power of a like-minded CEO peer group. Without my Seattle CEO peer group, who I now call friends, and the advice and encouragement of my Vistage chair, Don Barton, I wouldn't have been in the game to get this loan. My big bank was totally useless. But I was in an email conversation regarding the PPP from the very beginning with my group. I had access and insights from 14 other CEOs and presidents in real time, telling me where everyone was at in the process and who they were using, who was getting serviced, and who was signing docs and who was getting funded. My group told me about Lisa Forrest and Live Oak Bank. A few members in my group mentioned she was excellent, that she followed up with everything and got things done. Well, that's an understatement. The short version is that I wasn't a Live Oak customer and I missed the first round. But I submitted my application when I heard about the second round. It went to the SBA that Monday. The first day of the second round, I was notified of my SBA number that Thursday, and it funded the next week. Without Vistage, Don Barton, Live Oak Bank, and Lisa Forrest, I would be in an alternate universe where nothing happened and I was pitifully waiting for my big bank to actually do something for me. This loan's a big deal for me and my company. Whatever I thought about my Vistage investment pales in the comparison to the benefits. Benefits like number one, having a group of business leaders at your back that care about your outcomes. And number two, leaders who share their knowledge and experience in real time, especially during a crisis. There are other accolades I could bestow, such as the incredible quality of speakers who present to my group, or just the sense of not being alone as I seemingly pound my head against the business rock. But I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Many business people can look back at pivotal moments in their history, a moment that made the biggest difference in the world. And I can tell you that when I look back, the decision to join Vistage was the smartest decision that I've ever made. As a newish CEO, you don't know what you don't know, and you need all the help you can get. And that's what Vistage is to me. I'm going to put a link down below regarding Vistage, and you can check it out for yourself. Or if you want to reach out to me, I'm happy to tell you about my PPP story, or I can talk about Vistage. You can go to my website and get the number or leave a comment below. You can also stop by my website and learn about the new Unity Safe system and how it can help bring customers back to your facilities. That's all for now. Have a great day.